with Kevin Cook right now. As you can see. Oh wow. Yeah, so he absolutely cooked me. Oh wow. This is bad. Wow, that's crazy. This guy's really good, by the way. I don't think we're gonna be able to win here. Yep, I'm cooked. This is really bad. Okay. What? There's no way. Okay, W. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! W, bro. W. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay, he's right there. I didn't hit him, that's actually so weird. Oh my god, bro. Okay, that's fine, it's fine. Bro, what? I didn't even get a chance to move, bro. And I'm dead. Wow. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Oh, I'm gonna do it again, I guess. Okay. Let's go aerial. I want to see if Kevin's clean. Don't know if that's his actual thing there. So Kevin's Cook is like a really popular YouTuber, you could say. My gun wasn't reloaded. That kind of sucks. Bro, what? Damn. Okay. Come on. Okay, I got him. W. Okay, come on. Bro, how'd that... What? How did that hit him? It was literally right at him, bro. It was aimed right at him. It's actually kind of crazy, though. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. Bro, I instantly get killed. Okay. He's really good, bro. He's actually really good. He has 7,000 wins. Wow, bro. Wow. Wait, I'm gonna see what he has. Oh. Okay. There's a lot of dragon's breath. When you want to do the vid? Huh? I guess. Oh, okay. I guess I'll 2v2 these guys. Alright, let's see. Guys, I actually might be Murders versus Sheriff's Duels YouTuber now. So yeah, let's see. Hammy, who's Hammy, bro? Okay, so no one's 1v1ing me right now. Okay, spin. Alright, yeah, so no one's 1v1ing stuff right now. Guess I'll just try to 1v1, maybe. Someone. Army. 1v1. Alright. Let's see how good this person is. I mean, I'm really bad compared to other people. I'm just saying. I'm extremely bad. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do like this. Sneaky deaky. Sneaky reeky right there. I thought it was dead there. Okay. It's not. Oh, wow, okay. Well, there we go. Bro. Okay. It's fine. Come on. Okay. Oh, I think he's streaming right now. Okay. Cooks is streaming right now. It's gonna be right there. What is this lag, bro? I swear. Okay. That kind of sucks. 2-2. Alright, come on. Okay. GG. I thought I... What? That's actually crazy. Okay, it's fine. Come on. I'm dead. Oh no, I'm not. Okay. What's going on? Okay. Oh, okay. I'm dead. She wins one more time on Cooks, man. Oh, okay. I'm actually out. Okay. How the? Okay. We're good. Oh, GG. Oh, GG. that bad. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Bye bye.